Welcome to carforums.se. I'm going to show you how to install our latest Uconnect Android V4 system for the Harman units. The Harman unit looks like this from the back side and like this from the front side. If you don't know how to remove your factory screen, just suggest that you Google your model, like charger and year, like 2015 radio removal. So if you have a Charger 2015, just Google Charger 2015 radio removal or Cherokee 2016 or 17 radio removal. We're gonna start to show how to install our Android system. The system has 4 screws here. We are already uninstalled 2 screws just to speed up. Unscrew these 4 screws, pull this up, take this main board out, unscrew this screw here like this, unscrew the other 4 screws, unscrew these 2 screws here on each side, pull these corners up like this. Take a small screwdriver, you got a small hole here, just put that up. Once you have that, pull this corner up for the touchscreen. You just place that up. This one you just tab up. Pull this. I'm going to take the main Android board. It's just plug and play. It fits directly. You can see the fitment is perfect. Install the touchscreen here. Press that tab up and scroll this. Press that up, down. This one first, this one next. Place the board. Place that up. Just make sure so it lines up good. Take this cover, place it down, press the tabs up, this one too. Install the screws here, the 5 screws. After that, install the main board and press that down. Press that, install the back cover of the unit. Now you're done with the installing of the board. I'm going to show you the rest is easy plug and play. You got one harness, it will say TP in. Install that to this cord, press it in. You got one harness that said LCD. Install that to this cord. Then you have the main Android system. The LCD out is for the pink one. You can see here that you have a small, on the plug here, a small tab. So it should be plugged in like this. Press that in. For the yellow one, T pin. Press that also in. The system will also of course have a main plug. Just plug that into the system like that. This side you plug in the main harness. On the end of this plug you will have the power connector for the Android system, like that. And the Android system will have the aux connected to the factory harness, so it's nothing that you need to do. You will have one USB extension if you want to extend the USB for the Android system. If you want to like play movies, you have this. You can place it anywhere in the car. The Android system also has 2 extra inputs. If you want to add a front camera, cargo camera, or whatever camera you want, it can be viewed at all times. Just switch once on the external switch or switch 3 seconds on the touchscreen. The first input is DTV in. Connect your camera to this one, to the yellow one. The other camera is DVD in. Connect the camera to the yellow one. If you're not planning to connect any cameras at all, just disconnect these. You don't need to have these connected at all. Then the last harness, we got rear LCD. Connect that to this one. On the rear LCD you will have the external switch. You can switch faster if you're switching for front camera and you want to have for parking front camera and reverse. It's easy. You also have the external speaker that's used for if you want to be in the factory screen and still have the Google Maps guide voice. Then of course we also have the microphone. That's also on the same harness, the rear LCD. You connect to this input. That is for Google Voice. So you can use the Google Voice when you're in internet. You can do a voice search. You don't need to use it if you're not planning to use the Google Voice search. You don't need to connect that. And you have the GPS antenna, so it will have your location. You just connect this input. Then you're ready to go. So please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Car Performance 10, and thank you very much.